Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the read aloud function while playing Kahoot on the Kahoot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the either the discover button or basically anywhere in order to select the Kahoot that you would like to play with. Tap on start. And if you want to turn on the read aloud function, you should tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on read aloud.
How are you feeling today?
As you can see, or as you can hear now, it is reading aloud you the question and the answers as well. So if you want to stop it, tap on this play button. If you want to
How
start,
are you feeling
today?
Want
to stop, just simply click on it. However, if you want to turn off this function completely, tap on this three dots icon again and tap on the read aloud button, thereby turning off this function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.